So the coolest new thing going on for TP-Link and Smart Home is we're launching a brand new brand in 2022. It's already a successful global brand, but this is the first time we're bringing it to the US. We're expanding into some new categories which we haven't been in before, which is smart hubs and sensors. We have quite a few examples here, like a motion sensor. You can place this motion sensor anywhere and immediately get notifications if motion is sensed. But more importantly, you can do smart actions. So if motion is sensed, you can have the lights turn on, for example. So you can create motion activated lights. There's also a contact sensor. So you can put this on your mailbox or a door or a window, and automatically if that window or door is open, you'll get a notification. And once again, you can do smart actions with that. So we have a smart radiator valve and thermostat. So if the window is open, you can have it triggered to automatically shut off if the window is open, and you can save your energy that way. So the entire ecosystem plays together really, really well. Additionally, we have a security camera line. The security cameras are really high quality. So this is our flagship outdoor security camera. It comes equipped with two spotlights and a starlight night sensor. So it's able to see up to 100 feet at night in color, which is really remarkable compared to the industry standard, which is black and white night vision. Additionally, it comes with two external antennas, which is kind of TP-Link's bread and butter. It has great connectivity, so wherever you place this, it should be able to connect to the Wi-Fi, no problem. So you'll see all of the footage and all the notifications can be controlled via the Topo app. So literally in the same app that you see all your security footage, you also can control your lighting to a great degree. So the convenience and the ability to cover all these different categories really makes the Topo ecosystem second to none, compared to a lot of other smart home brands which are kind of category specific. Topo takes them all, and the ecosystem synergy really takes it to the next level.
What about the doorbell?
Yeah, so we do have a battery doorbell for Topo coming out around Q3. But we also have a wired doorbell for Casa that's launching sooner in February. So if you're interested still in the Casa, we do have that. It'll come with the chime, two-way talk, and notifications whenever someone is present, as well as like smart regions. So you can create a region where you want notifications and regions where you don't want notifications to avoid spamminess. And it can also tell the difference between a human being, pets, delivery trucks, so you can get specific notifications depending on what's there. The app is totally free. So there is cloud-based storage for the videos, so that will be a subscription service for it's called Topo Care, and it comes with some other additional features which enables you to create like privacy zones. Like we have an indoor camera, and let's say that indoor camera is pointed at the bedroom door. Well, you can create a little black spot right over the bedroom door so that footage is never picked up there. So there's a lot of cool things you can do beyond just storing data in the cloud with that subscription service.
Can you store to an SD card?
Absolutely, yeah.
But I don't have to have it.
You don't need it, yeah. You can use an SD card. We do have a battery-powered outdoor camera. This one is wired. Oh yeah, it is an Ethernet version, excuse me. No, it's not PoE. But we do have a PoE version. This one is not. Yeah. We don't have solar panels, but wait till next year. Who knows?
This is our CES innovation orrery this year. So you can rotate. The antennas can move towards to the Wi-Fi usage and the device location to optimize the performance. And this is our Wi-Fi 6E routers, and goes to up to 11,000 megabytes per second, and connects to up to 200 devices and can cover up to 2,000 square feet. And this is our Wi-Fi 6E routers as well, and it can go up to 16,000 megabytes per second. Sorry, but these antennas have to rotate manually though. And the most exciting Wi-Fi 6E are rolling out these two pretty soon. These two probably gonna be the best Wi-Fi 6E device for the most people because of the price. We have these under $200 for Wi-Fi 6 router, and these for 2-pack under $300.
Or a window.
And
that
even
window's open.
yeah, this 6E.
Exactly.
Yeah, all 6E.
So
And this is our mesh system with the voice system built-in with Alexa and stuff. And this is our deco system with the outdoor. It has a water resistant IP65, and this is our deco mesh system with a PoE. For these three, because they are Wi-Fi 6, so they only have dual band. But these three, because they are Wi-Fi 6E, so they have brand new 6 GHz band.